Well, it would inspire everybody. Just it's your base. It's going to be just as good as we make it. You make it, and particularly you and your teammates make it. It's going to be that good. Or if you guys make it bad, it'll be bad. I can't. I probably haven't got a thing to do with it. I'd be responsible for it, but if it's their base just as well as it's mine, and it does work. We had a base that was unbelievably clean, son, at Yorktown. It was just well, when we were building a new air station. That's I used to tell all the people that we are building an air station. It's only going to be as good as we make it. So the guys, pretty soon, they were all buying into that. And of course, Bellis was really good at selling that. He knew that was one of my favorite comments. And he used to tell everybody that over and over and over again. You know,